Reinforcing bar assemblies, known as standees, are normally required for the support of top mats of reinforcing bars in thick concrete members, such as footings and slabs. These standees have a 3D rebar shape. In Revit 2021, you can define such 3D rebar shapes by rotating the hooks at the ends of the bars and directly inputting the hook lengths for each rebar instance. You can also change hook lengths for each bar in the project. This is accomplished by selecting the Override Hook Length option in the Properties palette and inputting the new length in the respective rebar shape parameter field. This is applicable for any rebar with hooks and requires that the hook length be assigned to a rebar shape parameter. You can also use rebar shapes with 3D hooks inside pad reinforcement to distribute rebar standees in your structural project. Thanks to this new functionality, structural engineers and detailers can now model standardized 3D rebar shapes, extract bending instructions, and provide full fabrication data for rebar.